Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a drawing in Google Drive. Open New, More, then Google Drawings so you start in the right workspace immediately. Once the blank canvas appears, name the file and set page setup to the desired ratio, 16:9 if you need a presentation-friendly size, because that controls layout and export dimensions. Make sure to enable view options like grid lines and guides to align shapes precisely. These small steps save time and reduce rework later when you move into building visuals. Now you construct the content. Use shape tools for blocks, lines and curves for connectors, and text boxes for labels so elements are clear and adjustable. Once elements are placed, group related items with Control or Command+G, then use Align and Distribute to maintain consistent spacing. This makes the layout readable and predictable. Also apply fill and border styles, and use Arrange right arrow order to layer elements correctly. Doing this prevents accidental overlaps and keeps the visual hierarchy intact as you refine the design. Finish by exporting and sharing. Choose File right arrow download and pick PNG, SVG, or PDF depending on use, and toggle transparent background for overlays because export format affects quality and editability. Then use Share to set viewer or editor access and copy the link so collaborators can review. Make sure you set proper permissions to avoid accidental edits. If elements shift or misalign during export, re-enable guides and snap to grid, ungroup then regroup components, and realign to restore precise placement quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.